विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनल ज्याचं नाव आहे मोहित मोटिवेटेड एक्झाम चॅनल। आज आपण बघणार आहोत महाटेट 2024 साली घेण्यात येणाऱ्या परीक्षेचे पॅटर्न आणि स्वरूप। महाटेट exam, the Maharashtra Teacher Ability and Intelligence Test and means Mahatet is conducted by the Maharashtra State Council of Examination means MSSC to assess the competency of teacher in the state. It is essential for teachers to qualify this exam in order to be eligible to teaching position in various government and private school in Maharashtra. Exam pattern: the Mahatet exam consists of two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Both papers are conducted in an offline mode. The exam pattern of Mahatet is as follows: paper 1, total marks 100 marks, number of question 100, multiple choice question, MCQ based, time duration 2 hours, making scheme. Each conduct answer carried 1 mark, negative marking, no negative marking. Paper 2, total marks 150 marks, number of question 150, multiple choice question, MCQ, time duration 2 hours 30 minutes. Making scheme: each correct answer carried 1 mark, negative marking, no negative marking. Topic and mark wastage: the topic covered in Maharashtra TET exam may vary depending on the subject chosen by the candidates. However, some common topics and their mark weightage are as follows. First, educational psychology 15 marks, 2 educational technology 15 marks, 3 pedagogy 15 marks, 4 English language proficiency 15 marks, Marathi language proficiency 15 marks, 6 general knowledge and current affairs 15 marks, 7 environmental studies 15 marks, 8 mathematics 15 marks, 9 science 15 marks, 10 social science 15 marks. Important points: candidates must refer to the official website of Mahatet for the most accurate and updated exam pattern. The exam is conducted in offline mode, so candidate must be prepared to answer on the OMR sheet. It is important to study all the topic mentioned in the syllabus to score well. The exam time management is crucial as each paper has a specific time duration. Practice previous year question papers and take mock tests to get familiar with the exam pattern and improve speed and accuracy. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, शेअर करा, कमेंट्स करा, चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका.